Welcome back to Rome Tips. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience with the service. Today we're diving into MailPoet, a powerful email marketing platform you can find at mailpoet.com. While there are many email marketing services out there, MailPoet offers a unique approach, especially if you're using WordPress. Integrating directly with your WordPress site, MailPoet simplifies the process of sending newsletters, automated emails, and even welcome messages to your subscribers. This tight integration minimizes the back and forth between different platforms, streamlining your workflow and saving you valuable time. Instead of constantly exporting and importing lists, you manage everything directly within your WordPress dashboard. Imagine the convenience of crafting your newsletter in the same environment where you create your blog posts. MailPoet makes this a reality. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, even for those less familiar with email marketing. Now, you might be wondering about features. Don't worry, MailPoet isn't lacking in that department. It provides a range of tools for creating visually appealing emails with its drag-and-drop editor. No coding skills required. You can easily design newsletters that reflect your brand identity and engage your audience. Beyond newsletters, MailPoet also excels at automation. You can set up welcome emails to greet new subscribers, send targeted messages based on user behavior, and even automate post notifications. This allows you to nurture your audience and keep them engaged without constant manual intervention. Another key advantage is the potential cost savings. For smaller lists, MailPoet offers a generous free plan. As your list grows, the paid plans remain competitive, often offering better value than some of the bigger players in the email marketing space. So, if you're looking for a streamlined, WordPress-integrated email marketing solution, definitely check out MailPoet at mailpoet.com. The link is in the description below.